So for my Scratch remix, I chose one called Graphics Mathematical, and it actually was a remix from an original project called Star 2. So Star 2, I'm going to play it really quick, draws different sized lines until a complete starburst is made. It does keep going and it keeps going. So the one that I chose to remix was actually called Graphics Mathematical. So with this version, you could change the A, B, and C variables with sliders and make different combinations based on those coordinates of the sliders. So I'll show you that. So you can see at the bottom, we have A5, B3, and C4. So it made some pretty cool graphics when doing this, and it's fairly quick script to run. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to change my A slider to 12, my B slider to 11, and my C slider to 2. So when you play it again, you can see the difference those variables make when you change the sliders. Okay, so for mine, what I did was, let's see inside of it, to change it, to remix it, was I added another variable called D. So down here at the bottom of the code, I added from go to XY until we set Z. So they used different variables. So I added a variable D, I added a variable Z. And for the pencil, I changed the color of the pencil, and then I also set the pen size to something different. I changed the pen color by a different number, and then I set the pen color to a different number. I also added a radio. So here's my code for the radio. So I had it repeat one time the sound, Dance Magic, and then I had it repeat 6 times where the repeat is for the radio to move. So let's go back. That's all I changed. Well, for the brain, for the computer, I also changed that color to the costume. So I went to the costume and changed that. All right, so let's go back to the project page so that I can show you by changing color these variables, how it would change the picture and also the music that's added. Okay, so stop that one, and I'm going to show you another. Change it up. Okay, so I'm going to play that again. So that is my remix.